Hey everybody, Ralph back with another video. This one covering the question, what is breakage in affiliate marketing and how can you avoid it? Breakage in affiliate marketing can simply be understood as this. An affiliate makes a sale, but then due to some technical problems, that affiliate does not get credit for the sale and does not get paid for the sale. And that really sucks. And one main reason for breakage in affiliate and network marketing are complicated compensation plans that are just so complicated, affiliates don't understand what they're doing, what they're getting into, and they will end up making sales without meeting all the requirements for getting paid for those sales. And overly complicated comp plans can really cost people a lot in lost commissions and wasted time in affiliate marketing. In order to avoid breakage in your affiliate marketing or network marketing journey, I would recommend staying away from companies that have overly complicated compensation plans. The comp in comp plan should stand for compensation, not complicated. And you see, the thing is that there are some affiliate marketing companies out there that have such complicated comp plans that it encourages breakage. Now, why would a company want to do that? Simple, because the money that's not being paid out to the proper affiliates ends up going where? To the people who run the company. It goes up the food chain to the people who make the rules. And so it's actually to their benefit to create comp plans that are so complicated that there's a lot of misunderstanding, and then affiliates don't meet all the requirements for payment, and a lot of money goes upstream to the big fish instead of going down below to the people who are actually making the sales. And so if you want to avoid breakage in your affiliate marketing journey, I would say deal with companies that have comp plans that are simple, easy, not comp plans that are like 25 pages long. You have to sit through a half-hour long video 2 or 3 times and still not understand it. No, look for companies where the comp plan can be stated in 4 sentences or less. In our company that I deal with, our compensation plan is so simple, I can sum it up in just one paragraph. You get paid 80% recurring commissions for every qualified sale that you make. That's it. And what's a qualified sale? Qualified sale in our organization means that in order to get paid commission for a certain level, you have to own that level first. And so that's it. Not very complicated. Get paid 80% recurring commission for every qualified sale that you make. And in order to be qualified to get paid for that sale, you have to own the level that you're selling. And we have 3 levels. A $10 level called the Let's Go app costs you $10 a month, pays $8 recurring commissions. We got the Funnel Builder level, $25 a month is what it costs. Gives you a lot of training, gives you the funnel builder tool, pays 80% commissions, pays $20 commissions on a recurring basis. So you make 2 sales. That level is free to you, and you're already in profit. And then our third recurring level is the premium traffic and conversions level. Teaches you how to get traffic, both free and paid, how to make conversions, how to make sales. Costs $125 a month, includes 5 days every week of live training with people who are 7-figure earners and have been in this industry for a long time. It costs $125 a month, pays $100 recurring commissions. Extremely simple, 5-minute video. I've covered that plus a whole lot more. So if you want to take a look at what I do, go to my main affiliate link, which is Ralph's homebiz.com, where we like to keep things super simple and value-packed. But if you're dealing with an affiliate marketing or network marketing company that overcomplicates everything, you can just about bet the reason they're overcomplicating it is to encourage breakage. Help to eliminate breakage from your affiliate marketing and network marketing journey by dealing with companies who believe in keeping it honest and keeping it simple. Okay, this is Ralph signing out. Have a good one. Catch you in future updates. Bye-bye.